So I am of the opinion that you could do so much with your hair.
Yeah.
You can do, and you want to do so much with your hair. But the pictures you showed me of your hair, with your hair natural, the challenge was, from what I could tell, a part of your hair is straight. Because it's been heat styled so much from wearing, how did it get that way?
Probably sewn from like years ago.
Okay. Well, when's the last time you had a sew-in?
Last year.
Okay, so it probably got thermal straightened even a year ago, because the hair only grows about a half an inch a month, right? You're a little younger, so it grows a little faster than that. But those ends are going to be a little straight, and then you've got this other texture that's curly, and you don't know what your curl classification is. Okay. So the pictures that you showed me of your curl look like, to me, that you're probably about between a 4A and a 4B, very similar texture to mine. You might even be looser than that. I would love to see you, based on the wet and wavy pictures that you love, I would love to see your hair one texture so that you have a wash and wear look. And then you're still also able to do
Other styles.
all of those other styles, but it will get you to the point where you can wash and go.